Good morning, everyone. Welcome back once again to my channel. I hope you're doing fine wherever you are. Guys, I'm enjoying Zambia, Lusaka. But today, I will be checking out from my place. Actually, I ended up taking this room. If you watch my previous video, I had said I don't like this room because it's outside on its own, but I ended up taking it. Yeah, it's been really a good time here. I've enjoyed my stay here. I've stayed for a couple of days. It's time to check out. So I will be going to Chipata. If you remember, if you watch my previous video, I went the other day to book tickets to Chipata. Yeah, and this is the day. Yeah, so the bus will be leaving at 11. Here they say 1100. They do 24-hour clock. It's been really confusing me. Like instead of 7 p.m. they say 19 hours. So my bus will be leaving at 12 hours, and right now it's 9 hours. Is what is 12, and then 11, 10, 9 hours. Okay, let me just say 9 a.m. These things are confusing me. Yeah. Anyway, my bus will be leaving 12 hours. So I will be leaving here at 10 hours time, okay, to the bus station. So yeah, that's it. And I will be tagging you along with me. I'll show you the way to Chipata. Chipata actually is a city outside Lusaka. It's within this Zambia, but it's outside Lusaka. It's another city. Yeah. So let me show you what's happening outside. It starts raining again. This is how it is currently. It's been raining since morning. You can see. I love when it rains. Oh my god, I can see some guavas. Those are guavas in the neighbor's house. See those ones, guavas. Wow, and they are ready. You see? And these are avocados here, and they are ready as well. I ate one, and pawpaw on the other side. Yeah, so it's been really raining, which is okay. I love this kind of weather. So we'll wait for our time and then off we go to the bus station. So yeah, I will be taking you along with me. Actually, I'm told it's between 8 to 11 hours journey, which is okay for me. Average of 10 hours, that's fine for me. I did Harare, Zimbabwe to Victoria Falls, 16 hours. That's nothing. 10 hours is okay for me. I can manage that. Traveling from Lusaka to Chipata is not just a journey, it's an experience. This trip takes about 9 to 10 hours, so you really get to see a lot along the way. As we left Lusaka, the city slowly faded and the roads opened up into wide spaces. The farther we went, the more the scenery started to change. It became more green, more natural, and at some point very mountainous. The views were honestly beautiful and peaceful. Along the way, the weather also changed. It actually started raining, and that made the whole journey feel even more calm and fresh. You could see the rain falling over the hills and the trees. Everything just looked so alive.
Now, one thing about this trip, the bus I go to didn't have a Wi-Fi as promised before, and also I didn't get the seat I was originally assigned. So I didn't really have the best position to film or capture clear videos. As you can see, I had to rely on my phone and even ask some passengers to help me take some clips. So the footage might not be as clear as it should be, but at least it gives you a real glimpse of what the journey looks like. We passed through an area where people were selling fresh maize by the roadside. I even tried some. Me and maize, I don't know. And it was really nice, simple, fresh, and part of the local experience. We also took a short break during the journey just to stretch, relax, and take in the surroundings. Long trips like this need those small pauses, and it gives you time to really appreciate where you are. Some sections of the road are quite small and narrow, which makes the drive more careful and slow at times. But at the same time, it adds to the experience because you're really fully aware of your surroundings. The landscape keeps changing from open roads to green hills, from small villages to quiet stretches of nature. You see different sides of the country, and it really gives you a deeper appreciation of the journey.
Guys, let me tell you, we had a stop in the middle of the forest, people to pee, and I just came from there to pee. Very interesting. This is where I just came from. We still have a very long way to go. This bus is super crazy. This is, oh my goodness. And that is where we just came from.
Even though it's a long trip, it doesn't feel boring because there was a lot or something to see, whether it's the changing scenery, the people along the road, or just the calm atmosphere. And also, of course, we had music inside the bus. As we get closer to Chipata, you could feel the difference again. The environment and the overall vibe slowly started to change, showing that we were reaching our destination. As we continued with the journey, there was a moment where we crossed a narrow bridge where only one car can pass at a time. It was quite interesting and a bit tense, especially with cars coming from the other side. I'm not sure what is the name of the bridge. If you know, let me know in the comment section. Overall, I would say this journey from Lusaka to Chipata is long, but it's definitely worth it. From the rain, the green landscapes, the mountainous views, the roadside maize, and the unique road, it's a trip full of every real moment. And even with the challenges I faced with filming, I'm glad I was still able to capture and share this experience with you.
So guys, finally I have arrived in Chipata. This is a small city outside Lusaka in Zambia. Okay, it's around 9 p.m. It was a crazy journey, like 9 hours journey. It was 9 to 10 hours, yeah, but everything went well. So I just checked in my B&B. Let me show you. So let me just show you a quick tour of my B&B here in Chipata. So this is my bed. I really need to sleep. Very nice curtains, AC, like just normal. The floor is super clean. My bags just here. I have my TV. You know, I will be watching news. I have kettle, and then there is this. Yep. I can cook, I can make tea, my crib. This is a classy one, and it has a fridge. I don't know what's that. Oh, okay. It has that cabinet, and you know, it's a place to put clothes, bags on. You know, I like the bed. It's really nice. Yep, and the bathroom, very nice. I love it. Mirror, very clean towels, and this is more like a hotel, honestly. Yep, and the shower. Yeah guys, so that is my room here in Chipata. I'm excited, I'm happy I have arrived and I have checked in. So now I will be going out. There is a restaurant just around here. I need to eat something and then off I sleep, and see you tomorrow. Bye.